Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to the Elliott Wave. So let's start today crypto analysis with the BTC. So in BTC we count this strong move as a brown wave 1, like 1, 2, 3, 4 and wave 5. Now we are looking for this correction as a W, X and Y towards the medium number at this point. So at this point, we count this structure as a B, and C, W, then X, then A, wave B. Now we are looking for this last leg as a wave C. Market move from one number to another number with classic trading level pattern. At this point, market give us the arrival reaction first from below level A, B, and C. Then market go towards the next point 80, the end of group 2. Again, market give us this pattern like arrival reaction fast low below level A, B and C. Then market go towards the 65. 65 belongs to the start of group 2. Market cross this point 65 creates low. Market don't stop at the level. Pattern number 3 is in place. So let's check the pattern number 3. So in pattern number 3, market don't stop at the level at the 65 directly creates low. After this low, we need to wait for this A, B, and C to complete at their next impulsive move. We can go directly with this wave B towards the bearish side, but we need to refine our entry from this wave B to this low to inner wave B. Like at this point, if we want to go towards the bearish side, we can go directly with this wave B towards the bearish side with this stop loss. Like this, we can go with this wave B and with this stop loss, but we need to refine our entry in lower time frame in 1 hour or 4 hour time frame. We need to wait for the next impulsive move A, B, and C to go towards the next point. We need to shift our entry from this point to this wave B and stop loss from this point to this point. Especially in current situation war scenario, market may give us this spike towards the bullish or bearish side. We need to wait for the proper classic trading level pattern and we need to wait for the proper impulsive move and the corrective pattern. With the stop loss and take profit point, we need to follow proper take profit point and stop loss. So at this point, after this wave A, wave B, we need to wait for the next impulsive move and this correction to go towards the bearish side. So let's check this pattern in lower time frame, how we join the next move. So in lower time frame, we count this structure after this wave X as a wave A, then wave B. At this point, market give us this move as a wave A, wave B, then this ending diagonal like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 with this wave B. If we want to go towards the bearish side, we can go directly with this wave B. But we need to wait for the proper classic trading level pattern. Like at this point, market give us this move as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then we need to wait for this A, wave B, and wave C to go towards the next point 65 in 1 hour time frame. If this 65 give us the classic trading level pattern, then we will go towards the next point 60 and then 55 step by step. Market move from one number to another number. One major number to another major number, minor number to another minor number, and micro number to another micro number. If we check this move in lower time frame, market give us the classic trading level pattern at this point, now this pattern still is in play. Like if we go in 5 minute time frame, after this move as a wave B. After this move in 5 minute time frame, market give us the pattern like market give us the proper impulsive move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Arrival reaction fast low below level A, B, and C. Like this, at this point, market creates low, give us the pattern, arrival reaction, fast low below level A, B, and C, the sharp zigzag correction. Then market go towards the next point. From this point to 71, the strong and larger number. At this point, market give us the arrival, a reaction, fast low below level A, B, and C. Then market go towards the 70, and then next point, step by step. So market don't stop at the level in lower time frame, 1 hour and 5 minute time frame directly creates low. Now we need to wait for the proper correction as a wave A, B, and C, or as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, wave B, and wave C. Then we will go towards the next point. If we want to join this leg in 5 minute or 15 minute time frame, we need to wait for the proper classic trading level pattern for the bullish side at 71, the stronger and larger number. Like arrival reaction, first high above level A, B, and C. Then we'll go towards the 71, 500, and then 72 step by step. We need to follow the classic trading level pattern in any time frame. So let's check our next pair, Ethereum. So in this pair, we count the structure after this brown wave 1 as a wave A, wave B, and wave C. Now we are looking for this move as a impulsive move or as a ending diagonal. Now we are looking for this move as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. So at this point, after this black wave 1 and black wave 2, market give us this move as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. Market give us the classic trading level pattern number 3. At this point, 2000, the strong and larger number, market not stop at the level, directly creates low. Then give us the A, wave B, and wave C. So if you want to go towards the bearish side, we can go directly with this wave B towards the bearish side. But we need to wait for the next impulsive move and its correction to refine our entry from this point to this low and inner wave B step by step. We need to refine our entry. So let's check the pattern number 3. At the pattern number 3, market don't stop at the 2000, directly creates low. Now we need to wait for this A, B, and C. Then again market will give us this move as a impulsive move. We can go directly with this wave B towards the bearish side. But we need to refine our entry from this point to this low to inner wave B. So at this point, this corrective pattern may complete at this point. So now we need to wait for the next impulsive move and its correction to go towards the bearish side. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, after this wave 3, we count this structure as a wave A, wave B, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5 as a diagonal. Or we can count differently like A, B, and C, W, then X at this point, then A, B, and C. We can count differently with respect to the rules and guidelines of Elliott Wave theory. We need to follow rules and guidelines. So after this wave 4, now we are looking for the next impulsive move and correction to go towards the bearish side. In 1 hour time frame, market give us this move as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. Now we need to wait for this wave A, wave B, and wave C to complete. Then we will go towards the next point 2000 with this wave B at the classic trading level pattern. Market need to give us the classic trading level pattern at 21 in 1 hour time frame. Market already give us the arrival. Now we need to wait for the reaction fast low below level A, B, and C. Then we will go towards the bearish side with the other wave B. Like we need to wait for this correction to complete. Then next impulsive move, then A, B, and C to go towards the 2000. If 2000 give us the classic trading level pattern, then we will go towards the 1900 and then 1800, step by step. So now we need to wait for this pattern to go towards the bearish side, the complete pattern. If we go and check in 5 minute time frame how the classic trading level pattern works. So in 5 minute time frame, after this wave C of this brown wave 4, market give us a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 arrival, a reaction fast low below level A, B, and C. Then market go towards the next point 22. After this 22, market give us the pattern number 3. Market don't stop at the level, directly creates low A, B, and C. Then we can go with this wave B towards the bearish side, or again market give us the next impulsive move and its correction to go towards the 21. Market move from one number to another number. At this point 23, the end of group 1, market give us the pattern arrival reaction fast low below level A, B, and C. Again market give us the pattern at 22, then at 21 the pattern is in play. So now we need to wait for the proper classic trading level pattern to go towards the bearish side. So let's check our next pair XRP. So in XRP we count this structure as a wave 1. After this wave 1 we are looking for this move as a wave 2 as a W, X and Y. We can count this move as a B, and C as a ending diagonal or as a impulsive move as a flat pattern. But as of now, this pattern more look like W, X and then Y. Market give us this move as a B, and C, W, then X at this point, then wave A, wave B, and now this wave C is in play. We count this structure after this black wave B as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 as a triangle like A, B, C, D, and E. Then we will go towards the bearish side. We can go with this wave B towards the bearish side. If you want to go towards the bearish side, we can go with this point or with this point. But we need to wait for the proper impulsive move and its correction with the classic trading level pattern to go towards the next point, step by step. So we can count differently. Like if we want to count, we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then A, B, and C towards the 1.8. Let's check the validation. Okay, so we can count this move as a wave 1, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 at this point. We need to check the inner count in lower time frame. So now we need to wait for this triangle to complete and next impulsive move to go towards the next point 1.2 and then 1, this strong and larger number. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, after this brown wave 3, we count this structure as a sideways as a triangle, as a wave A, wave B, wave C, wave D, and wave E. Now we need to wait for this leg and this last leg to complete like wave A, wave B, and wave C, wave A, wave B, and wave C to go towards the next point. We can go with this leg towards the bearish side if market gives us the classic trading level pattern at 1.4. Like if we want to go towards the bearish side, we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern like arrival, reaction, fast low below level A, B, and C to go towards the this point as a 1.35 or 1.365 like this. The group 2 and the medium number step by step. But overall, we are looking for this move as a wave D, there wave E. There we will go towards the bearish side if market give us the next impulsive move like A, B, and C. Then we will go towards the 1.3, 1.2, and 1.1 step by step. You can check the classic trading level pattern in lower time frame. At this point, if we go and check quickly the classic trading level pattern. At this point, market give us the move like where 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 1 and 2 like this. At 1.5, the strong and larger number. Arrival, reaction, Then again market give us the classic trading level pattern at 1.52. In 15 minute or in 5 minute time frame we can go with the 52, 51 or the micro number also. So overall we can count this move as arrival, reaction, fast low below level A, B and C, or arrival, reaction, fast low below level. We can count differently. But we need to check the proper classic trading level pattern. If we check this classic trading level pattern in 1 minute time frame, we can go with this classic trading level pattern. After this point, again market give us this move as arrival, reaction, fast low below level in 5 minutes. Now we need to wait for the A, B and C to go towards the bearish side. But we need to wait for the proper classic trading level pattern with the Elliott wave count. Like if we count this move as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, then that's possible. Market may give us this move as a wave B and wave C towards the 1.5 or 1.52. Then we need to wait for the next impulsive move and its correction to go towards the bearish side. So let's check our next pair, Solana, in daily time frame and in lower time frame. So in this pair, after this black wave 1, we count this structure, this move as a brown wave A, brown wave B. Now we are looking for this move as a brown wave C. So after this brown wave B, we count this move as a green wave 1, green wave 2, green wave 3, green wave 4. Now we are looking for this move as a green wave 5 as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and wave 5. Market cross this 100, creates low. Market go towards the next point 65, don't touch the 65, but market cross the 88, 72. Market creates low. Now we need to wait for this A, B, C to complete. We can go with this wave B towards the bearish side. But we need to refine our entry in lower time frame with the next impulsive move, wave A, wave B and wave C to go towards the 60 and then 50 step by step. So we count this move as a wave A, wave B and wave C. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, after this green wave 4, we count this structure as a black wave 1, black wave 2, black wave 3 and now this move as a black wave 4 may completed at this point. So we count this structure after this black wave 3 as a wave A, wave B 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We can count differently like A, B and C as a W, then wave, okay, A, B and C, W, then A, B and C, X, then A, B and C, Y. We can count differently. So after this wave B, we count this move as a ending diagonal. Then market give us this move as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we need to wait for the next correction after like this A, B and C, the next impulsive move to go towards the bearish side. We can go with this wave B towards the next point or we need to refine our entry in lower time frame. In 15-minute time frame like A, B and C to go towards the 80 and then 72 and then 65. Now we need to wait for this classic trading level pattern in lower time frame. In 1 hour time frame, if we want to go, we need to wait for this move as a 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, arrival, reaction, fast low below level A, B and C to go towards the next point 50 step by step. We need to wait for this proper pattern to go towards the bearish side. But in lower time frame, 15-minute, 5-minute time frame, we can go with the classic trading level pattern towards the 85 and then 80 and then 72 step by step. So let's check our next pair ADA USD Cardano. So in this pair, we count this structure as a green wave 1, then green wave 2. Now we are looking for this move as a green wave 3. Or we can count this move as a B and C, W, then X and then Y towards the bullish side. We can count differently. But in both cases, now we are looking for this move as a bearish side as a wave A, B, and C, or as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 1, and wave 2. Now we are looking for this move as a wave C or as a wave 3. So we count this move after this brown wave 2 as a green wave 1, green wave 2. Now this move as a green wave 3 is in play. So we count this structure as a black wave 1, black wave 2, black wave 3, black wave 4. Now we count this move as a brown wave 1, brown wave 2, 3, 4, and 5. So market cross this zero point 0.3, the strong and larger number 0.2 was the zero point 0.2. Market not touch the zero point 0.2. So market cross this point directly creates low. Now if we want to go towards the bearish side, we need to wait for the proper classic trading level pattern like market cross this point, creates low, then A, B and C. So if we want to go towards the bearish side, we need to wait for the next impulsive move like this. If we count this move as an impulsive move, then A, B, and C, then we'll go with this wave B towards the bearish side, or we need to refine our entry in lower time frame with the next impulsive move and correction. So let's check the possibility in lower time frame how we join the next move. So in lower time frame, after this move, after this brown wave 3 and brown wave 4, we count this structure as a wave 1 and wave 2. Or that's also possible. We can count this move as a triangle like wave A, wave B, C, D, and E. That's also possible. Like if we want to go towards the triangle, we can go with respect to the rules and guidelines. We need to follow rules and guidelines. So we can count this move as a wave A, wave B, wave C, wave D, and wave E. Then we need to wait for this move as A, B, and C. Then next impulsive move, then A, B, and C to go towards the next point. In both possibilities, in both cases, if we are looking for the triangle or this move as a impulsive move, we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern. Like at this point, if we want to go towards the bearish side, we can go with this wave B towards the bearish side, but we need to refine our entry with this move as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 arrival 0.265. 65 belongs to the start of group 2 arrival, then reaction first low below level A, B, and C. Then we will go towards this move as a wave C or as a wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3 towards the 0.25. If this 25 gives us the pattern, then we will go towards the 0.23. We need to wait for the proper classic trading level pattern to go towards the bearish side. Like if we check the pattern for the bearish side, we need to wait for this move as arrival, a reaction, first low below level, then A, B, and C. Then we can go directly with this wave B towards the bearish side. But we need to refine our entry from this point to this low to inner wave B to go towards the bearish side in lower time frame in 1 hour in 15-minute time frame. Market will give us this move after this A, B, and C. Next impulsive move, then A, B, and C. We need to refine our entry and refine our stop loss from this point to this point after the entry from this point to this point. So let's check our last pair, Dogecoin. So in this pair, we count this structure as a wave 1, wave 2. Now we are looking for black wave 3, or we can count this move as a wave A, wave B, and wave C. In both cases, we are looking for the bearish move as a B, and C, or as a 1, 2, and 3. So we count this structure after this black wave 2 as a black wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of this green wave 1, then green wave 2. Now we are looking for this move as a black wave 1, black wave 2, and the inner count. So if we check this move, we can go with this wave B Like we need to wait for the proper impulsive move and its correction. That's also possible. Market may give us this move as a A, B, and C, W, X, and then Y towards the bullish side. Then market will go towards the bearish side. So if we want to go towards the bearish side, we need to wait for the proper impulsive move. If we can count this move as a impulsive move, then we can go with this wave B towards the bearish side. But we need to check this move in lower time frame. How we count this inner move. So we need to wait for the next impulsive move in lower time frame in 4 hour or 1 hour time frame and A, B, and C to go towards the next point, step by step towards the start of group 2. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame how we join the next move. So in 1 hour time frame, after this black wave 1 and black wave 2. We count this structure as a brown wave 1 and brown wave 2. Or we can count this move as a A, B, C, W, then X and then Y towards the bullish side. That's also possible. We can count this move as a leading diagonal. We need to check the validation of this if we go as a leading diagonal. Okay, safe. So we can count this move as a W, then X, and then Y, as a B, and C, or as a leading diagonal if we go like A, B, and C. But the pattern, if we go properly with the rules and guidelines, we can count this move as a B, C, W, then X, then A, B, and C. Or wave this move as a leading diagonal wave A, then wave B, and then wave C. We need to follow the proper rules and guidelines. So as of now, we count this move as a leading diagonal like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, then A, B, and C. Because market may give us the proper impulsive move like 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5. Now we need to wait for the proper classic trading level pattern. Like market already give us this pattern in 5 minute time frame. If we want to check this pattern in lower time frame, we can check like arrival reaction fast low below level A, B, and C. Then market go towards the next point 0.095, the medium number. Again, we need to wait for the pattern like arrival A, B, and C reaction fast low below level A, B, and C to go towards the next point 0.085 and then 0.08 step by step. If you want to check this move as a classic trading level pattern in lower time frame, we can check after this brown wave 2. Market give us the pattern in lower time frame in micro numbers and minor numbers like at this point market give us this move as arrival reaction fast low below level A, B, and C. Then market go towards the next point. At this point again market give us the classic trading level pattern below this leg because we need to count the trading level and Elliott wave theory respectively. Like if we combine this move as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. Now we need to wait for the proper A, B, and C. Then we will go towards the period side with the classic trading level pattern. So this is for now. We will meet again in next week. Like, share, and subscribe.